You are going to play the role of Peter. On a sunny afternoon, Linda and Peter are sitting on a bench in the park. They are talking about their leisure activities, how to balance study and hobbies, and making plans for the weekend.
Hi Peter, you look energetic. Have you been doing exercise to stay in shape? Nice. Would you like to go snowboarding at the resort this weekend? Great. Do you fancy doing some DIY crafts tomorrow? I have a kit for origami. Same here. What about doing puzzles? They're fun in leisure time. Me too. Last week I folded flowers and shared them with my cousin. Sure. Let's keep in touch about our weekend trip.